Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add subscribe email to your WordPress site. Building an email list is crucial for engaging your audience and sharing valuable content directly. We'll explore the most effective ways to integrate email subscription forms, ensuring you can connect with your visitors beyond their initial visit. This process helps you nurture leads and grow your community. When adding email subscriptions, you have several excellent options. Many WordPress plugins, like MailChimp for WordPress, simplify the process with pre-built forms and seamless integration. Alternatively, dedicated email marketing services such as ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign offer advanced automation and analytics. For those with coding knowledge, custom solutions provide maximum flexibility in design and data handling. Let's walk through configuring a typical plugin. First, install and activate your preferred subscription plugin from the WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to its settings to connect it with your email marketing service, often requiring an API key. Finally, customize the form's appearance to match your brand and decide where it will display, such as in a sidebar, footer, or pop-up. To maximize your email list growth, optimize form placement. Consider using pop-ups, exit intent forms, or embedding forms within relevant content. Always ensure your subscription process is transparent and compliant with privacy regulations like GDPR, clearly stating how user data will be used. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key to productivity and overall well-being, so grab yours today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.